How to start a cell phone repair business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a cell phone repair business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you're passionate about technology and enjoy fixing things, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1 is to do thorough market research. This involves understanding your target audience, local competition, and the demand for cell phone repair services in your area. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique skills and expertise. Once you've completed your research, it's time to develop a business plan. This plan will act as a roadmap for your business, outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategies, marketing efforts, and financial projections. Having a solid plan in place will help you stay organized and focused on your objectives. Now that you have a business plan, it's time to tackle the legal side of things. Register your business with the appropriate authorities and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. Additionally, consider getting liability insurance to protect your business from any unforeseen circumstances. One of the critical aspects of starting a cell phone repair business is acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge. If you don't have experience in repairing cell phones, it's essential to gain expertise in the field. Take courses, attend workshops, or even consider getting certified by reputable organizations to enhance your credibility. Now, let's talk about setting up your workspace. You'll need a well-equipped repair shop with all the necessary tools, equipment, and spare parts. Ensure you have a clean and organized workspace to maximize efficiency and productivity. Remember to invest in high-quality tools that are compatible with the latest cell phone models. Once your workspace is ready, it's time to build your supplier network. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers who can provide you with genuine parts at competitive prices. Having a good supplier network is crucial to ensure you can offer quality repairs to your customers and maintain a steady inventory. Next up, let's talk about marketing your cell phone repair business. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to showcase your expertise and engage with potential customers. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract initial customers and encourage positive word of mouth. As your business grows, it's important to provide excellent customer service. Treat every customer with respect and empathy, listen to their concerns, and go the extra mile to ensure their satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your services to others and become loyal patrons of your business. Finally, continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in the cell phone repair industry. Keep up with the latest trends, technologies, and repair techniques by attending industry conferences, joining forums, and subscribing to relevant publications. This will help you offer cutting-edge services and remain competitive in the market. That brings us to the end of today's video. Starting a cell phone repair business can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture if you follow these steps and stay committed to providing top-notch service. Remember, success comes with dedication, hard work, and a passion for what you do. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.